Companies, us who do beauty subscription unboxing videos, we need our boxes in a timely manner. It helps with our views. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what came in the October 2021 American Influencer Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. So yes, I'm sure you've already seen the Colourpop October American Influencer Beauty Bundle unboxing video by now. Why am I fairly certain? Well, I am filming this on October the 30th because I received my box on October the 28th and I only film on the weekends. Why did I get this box so late? There was a mess up. I didn't even email them till, I don't know, the mid-month. It took them forever to get back to me. I honestly thought just, okay, I'm not going to get this box. I actually looked at some videos because I figured I wasn't getting this box. I have a friend who did an unboxing video. Hey, Tiffany. And I wanted to support her. And so guess what? I already know what's going to be in this box. Well, as best as my memory. The best item I remember what that is. Anyways, I'm going to unbox it. Hopefully somebody watches this video. Yeah, companies, us who do beauty subscription unboxing videos, we need our boxes in a timely manner. It helps with our views. For anyone who is new to what American Influencer Beauty Bundle is about, it's a $34 a month beauty subscription where you get 5 to 6 products from a different brand or influencer. This month is Colourpop. Yay! They do provide a card, no spoilers, which will have descriptions and pricing for the products in the box. Last month we got Herbivore. If you missed seeing that, I will link it in the eye above. All right, let's dive in and see what came in the box. The first item we have from Soul, and this is a glow oil in the shade Champagne. This retails for $10 and is 26 milliliters. I am not one to wear shimmery, glowy products on my legs, arms, etc. So I'm just going to set this aside for a future giveaway. I know plenty of people who love and enjoy products like that. All right, what else came in this box? What is this? Oh yes, I remember. This is the Color Vision Eyeshadow Palette, and I believe there are 5 pans. Yes. Ooh, look at this. All right, on camera, that middle neon shade is not being done justice. It is super neon magenta, hot pink. The other shades, OMG, totally up my alley. What is this called? All right, so this is the Color Vision Eyeshadow Palette, which also retails for $10, which is reasonably priced-ish. I don't know, for Colourpop that seems a little pricey. For anyone else, 5 pans for $10. Maybe I have Elf stuck on my head where you get 4 for $3. I don't know, $10 reasonable. All right, next item. There is another eyeshadow palette. This one is called Neon Glaze. This is similar to the other palette except for in the center we have a neon yellow. And these are slightly warmer toned neutral shades. All right, yes, 2 palettes. And that one also was $10. All right, what else did they send? All right, what is this? Okay, so this is the Act Natural, which is a mascara in the shade black. It is not waterproof, and I got this mascara when I recently did a Colourpop mystery box. So I'm going to set this aside for a giveaway. The mascara retails for $9. Okay, next item. We have a pencil of some sort. Yes, a brow pencil. And this is in the shade Taupe, which seems to be the international, or what they claim to be, everyone can wear Taupe. No. But I don't even wear brow products, so this will be in a giveaway as well. Okay, so there's a really tiny spoolie on one end. And here is the pencil side. It does seem to be a smaller tipped brow pencil. I know those who do their brows and love and enjoy that. The brow pencil retails for $7. All right, let's see what else is in this box. What is this? Okay, so we have a product called So Juicy, which is a plumping gloss. It is in the shade Stuntin. Let's see if that's something I would wear. Oh, yes. Okay. On the outside, it looked very dark. This is definitely doable. All right, let's see if it has a scent. Oh, it does, but it's not fruity like I first thought. I think it's more minty or peppermint. You know how I do. I don't care if I already have lip product on. I'm going to give this a try. I did a little swatch. It is shiny, shiny, shiny. No pigment whatsoever. The So Juicy lip gloss retails for $8. This is not sticky, but it's what I refer to as very thick. It does have the ever so subtle peppermint scent. It is slightly tingling, just slightly. Like I can barely like, oh yeah, is it tingling? Not obnoxious at all. All right, well, it's quite shiny and lovely. Let's see what else came in this box. What is this? We have a product from fourthray, and it's called the Daily Facial Moisturizer. So fourthray is Colourpop's offshoot skincare line. I find it interesting that so many brands do that. They have their makeup line and then they come up with a completely different name for the skincare. Although the packaging does look typical Colourpop. It's a plastic in a soft kind of peachy beigey color. There is a protector. Ooh, she be thick. This is a thick cream. It does have a subtle scent of, I don't know, slight peach with pawns. I don't. Oh, okay. It looks thicker than it is. It's not a gel cream, but it has some gel cream-ish properties where it just immediately sucks in your skin. That's going to be lovely. All right. And oh, what does this retail for? Wow, this product, if I like it and enjoy it, is very reasonable for skincare. It's $16. And how many ounces is this? This is 47 grams. And I read the little card. This can be used as an eye cream. What? $16, 47 grams. Interesting. Huh. All right, well, pretty much anything if it's not too thick and doesn't cause you to get milia. As you even put it on your cheeks, it will float up to under your eyes. So, all right, interesting that something this large for $16 is an eye cream or multi-purpose moisturizer cream. All right, let's see what else is in this box. Yes, okay. I'm remembering this is some kind of a Super Shock product. Is it a highlighter? Looks to be a highlighter. Yes, this is the Super Shock Cheek in Wisp, and it's pearlized. What is that? All right, so this is what the product looks like. If you've never used a Super Shock product, it's, I don't know if you'll pick up. See how my finger indented in there? This is like spongy and fun to play with. All right, let's do a swatch. That is a beautiful shade. It's like champagne, but slightly peachy, but not too dark. Great for a pasty pale person like myself. And how much does that retail for? This is also $8. Colourpop, how are you going to get a decent box value when your products are so reasonably priced? All right, and the last item, which I intentionally say for last because it's the best item in this box in my opinion, is this guy here. Let me take the plastic off so you don't listen to the crinkling. This here is the Kit Ultimate Brushroll. It retails for $44 and contains a whole bunch of brushes. This is in faux leather and contains 14 brushes. And ooh, this smells to high heaven of, I don't know, it smells like paint varnish. I don't know. But the exterior does look like leather. The inside is kind of felt-ish, softer. I'm going to have to let these brushes air out. Look at these brushes. OMG. This was the one item I really wanted and why I kind of pushed hard, even though they forgot about me. Thank you, AIA Beauty Bundle. But I really wanted this brush set, so I'm glad I sent them an email. All right, let's just take a look at a few of the brushes. Here we have a eye brush. It is very soft. This is very lightweight, but doesn't feel plastic. Like it feels like fake wood. Maybe it's bamboo? Not sure. It's lightweight, but doesn't, if it is plastic, they did a good job of making the plastic seem like some sort of a light wood. This is vegan and synthetic. And yes, it is very, very, very soft. I cannot wait to use these brushes. Look at this big guy. Super soft. It's kind of flat, but fluffy. I don't know what I'd use this for. Getting off fallout. I'm not one to powder, but this might be good for contouring, blush, just looking pretty on my vanity. Yes, that's oftentimes why I like a good brush. Yes, so these brushes are very good. At least my first impression is I'm digging these brushes. Super, super soft. It looks like there are 3 face brushes and the remainder are brushes for your eye. One possibly could be used for a lip product and or eye. But yes, I'm super excited. All right, let's recap what came in this box. We got a multi-purpose eye and face moisturizer, a Super Shock cheek highlighter, the So Juicy plumping gloss, the Act Natural mascara in black, a brow pencil in taupe, a dry oil from Soul, the Color Vision eyeshadow palette, the Neon Gaze eyeshadow palette, and 14 brushes. What are your thoughts? I think this was a pretty good box. Now, I know that the value is not going to be the same or anywhere close to last month's Herbivore box. But if you love and enjoy products from Colourpop, and who doesn't, and we did get a lot of makeup, which was really nice. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of the box. Let me know. Did you already see this unboxing and are like, yeah, thanks, Wago. I'm here to support. Or were you like, first time seeing it? And if so, what were your thoughts on this box? Do you think it was worth $34? Would you rather just go to Colourpop and buy what you like and want? I'm super excited that a brand such as Colourpop is participating with a beauty bundle. That's exciting to me. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, this guy down there looks like this. If you could click that thumbs up, it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. All right. Thanks, everyone.